Hello viewers, I am Fareen Hina and welcome to my new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can create a form in MS Access. In my previous video, I have already shared how you can create the data like this in MS Access. So without wasting our time, let's start our today's video. With the home tab, you can see that there is a create tab. Just click on it and you will come over here in the forms, where you can see there are many types of forms, but we are going to select the blank form. On the blank form, you will see the theme will appear on in front of us like this, which is totally blank. So at the left side at the top where view is there, press the arrow and it says the third option is design view. Click on it and then over here we are going to design our form. So what we need for form, all this table like ID, name, address, email, contact and picture to come here. As you can see over here at our right side, there is all the options available. We are going to double click on ID and you can see that the ID table is here. Then double click on name, then on address, email, contact and photograph. So email, we are going to now adjust the columns, how much we want the column to be. I hope up till now it's clear. And photo we can adjust over here. Can make the column of photo bigger or smaller as per the requirement is. So we are going to press Ctrl S and OK, we want to save this. So what else can be done in this? Go to the design tab and we want buttons over here as well. First button, that can be for go to first record. Another button that will be for go to the next record and we can make it align. Next button can be of go to the previous one. Next button can be of go to the last record. So these are the buttons, but now they are not going to work. We have to save them with the help of Ctrl S and then we are going to move forward to the right side up top where view is written. We are going to select the option form view. So you can see on number 1 ID is coming, name is coming, photo is coming, address is there, email address and contact number. If we move forward, so see number 2 is this and number 3 I didn't add any picture. If I want to move backward like this to the last, so like this it will take me to the last record, and to the first it will take like this to the first record. Plus if we want to add some other record in this, we are going to simply type the name first, then the address, then the email address, then randomly select any numbers for contact, and then we are going to insert picture. So now let's see, it has come here, no. So we can refresh the page, even this page. One, two, three, refresh all, and this 4 is also coming here. So I hope viewers that this video was useful for you all. I have just randomly made a form. You can add more things to it and make the form more colorful with the help of themes. And do let me know in the comment section whether it was useful for you all. Were you able to make the forms or not?